Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to save a Power BI report on your computer using the Power BI desktop app. This is an essential skill if you want to keep your reports organized locally or share them with your team through other means. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to open your Power BI desktop application. Once it's launched and you have your report ready, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find the main menu bar. Here you'll want to click on File. This opens up the primary file management options that Power BI Desktop offers, giving you access to everything from creating new reports to saving and exporting your current work. After clicking File, a panel will appear on the left side of your screen with various options. From this menu, go ahead and click on Save As. This option is particularly useful when you want to create a new version of your report or save it to a different location than where it might currently be stored. The Save As function gives you full control over where your file ends up and what you name it. Now, you'll be presented with several choices for where to save your report. Power BI gives you the flexibility to save to different locations, including OneDrive, SharePoint, or directly on your local device. Each option serves different purposes depending on whether you need cloud storage or local access. OneDrive and SharePoint are great for collaboration and cloud backup, while saving locally gives you immediate access without needing an internet connection. For this example, we're going to click on Browse this device. This option allows you to save the report directly to your computer's hard drive, giving you complete control over the exact folder location. It's perfect when you want to keep reports organized in a specific project folder or need offline access. Once you've clicked Browse this device, your computer's file browser will open up. This is where you navigate to the specific folder where you want to store your Power BI report. Take a moment to browse through your directories and select the location that makes the most sense for your organizational structure. Whether it's a dedicated Power BI folder, a project-specific directory, or your documents folder, choose what works best for you. After you've navigated to your desired location, you'll need to input a name for your report in the file name field. Choose a descriptive name that will help you identify this report later. Something clear and specific works best, especially if you'll be creating multiple versions or variations of similar reports. Finally, click the Save button. Power BI Desktop will now save your report to the location you specified with the name you provided. The file will be saved with a .pbx extension, which is Power BI's native file format. You now have a local copy of your report that you can access, share, or back up as needed. And there you have it. Your Power BI report is now safely saved on your computer. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.